Well, today we see the start of a new series of videos, stolen from the wife. Having recently seen the prices of modeller's dry brushes from companies such as Rosemary & Co, where the range starts at £10, I thought, let's have a look. This pair of brushes was available from the UK chain Poundland for £1.50, and very secure packaging. And these are pretty much what the new style of dry brush originated from, just eyeshadow brushes, in the same way as weathering powder started off by the original generation of modelers using their wives' old eyeshadow palettes. As you see, these are lightweight and soft, as needed, especially when doing larger models such as tanks and tyranids. To clean them, I have already had a previous pack, but I bought this new pack for this video. It's simply just soak in water. I use a Citadel tub that has a textured bottom, which does help, but I've also just soaked them in a bowl of water to clean any paint residue off. We'll see how they perform in a few seconds.